Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking happy birthday post or design for your friends or anyone celebrating their birthday today. If you're interested in designing a happy birthday post for your friends, colleagues, or anyone whose birthday is coming up, then this video is for you. For instance, if you have no experience with design or creativity, don't worry. You can simply go to a website called Canva, create your account, and once your account is created, you'll see this interface. After that, you need to go to the search bar and type Happy Birthday Post. Happy Birthday Post, and just press Enter, and you will see a lot of options. These are the paid options, and if you don't like any of them, just click on Show More to see even more options. Just explore until you find one that meets your expectations. Once you find one, customize it. The best part about Canva is that you can modify professionally designed templates. As you can see, some are paid, but you don't have to worry. I think I'll go with this one. This one is free, and I like it. Okay, I'll customize it. You can keep exploring more options and more templates. And if any template suits your needs, just customize it. After that, you'll be able to modify anything you want. For example, you can now see that I can modify anything I like. If I want to change the color, then select the color option. And here is the font option. I will just change the font. And if I want to change the font color, just click on the font and go to the color option. And there is the setting. Similarly, if you want to change the text, just double-click on it and you can type or delete whatever you want. If you want to change the background, go to Elements and type For Background, and you will see a lot of backgrounds. Go to Photos and just drag it to the back. And now you need to send this layer backward. Go to the layer and send it to the back. Now, if you want to replace this image with your own, go to Uploads and upload it from your computer. Once uploaded, your image will appear here, and all you need to do is drag and drop it. Now your image is replaced, and if you want to adjust it further, just double-click and you can fit it perfectly. After that, for example, this is the design I've created and customized. Now I want to download it, and to download it, go to the Share option, and then to the Download section and download it. If you want to download it in another format, there are options for that as well. That was a simple process for how you can create a happy birthday post for your children, kids, colleagues, or anyone you want.